Welcome, today we're gonna do a short haircut only using the scissors and the straight razor. We're gonna start the haircut, we're gonna start using the cutting scissors and we're gonna make the movement for the cut only with the thumb. Use the comb in a vertical position to avoid making lines. We're gonna start with the left side, we're gonna cut from left to right until the middle of the head. We are cutting the excess of hair on the third lateral section. We are using the comb in a vertical position to get a square silhouette. In this section, the head has a curvature. Using the comb in a vertical position helps to get a faded finish. In this area, use the comb in favor of the cloth to help grabbing the hair in this section. We are using a comb with a lighter color to help distinguish the hair from the comb. We're gonna make the entire haircut using the scissors and we're only gonna use the razor at the end. We did the whole haircut without using electricity. The only electricity we used was the one to turn on the lights for the production of the video. It's good to learn this technique just in case you look yourself in a situation where there's a power outage or there's no electricity. You can continue cutting hair. We can use thinner combs to make the haircut shorter. This comb we're using is the equivalent of a number 1 with an open blade. Continue cutting until the middle of the head. Use the comb in a vertical position to cut the third lateral section. This way the hair in this area is gonna be blended and it's gonna be easier cutting the top with scissors at the end. By cutting in a vertical position, scissor over comb, you can avoid making lines when the hair is this short. Also, you can cut in a horizontal position if the haircut's gonna be longer, and to make a taper on the neck area or the edges. Continue with the second lateral section. Be careful with the ear in this area. We're gonna cut in a horizontal position the edges. In this area we use a thinner comb to make the hair shorter. We are using lighter colored combs to help distinguish the hair from the comb. You can use the ring finger to protect the ear. Cut in a vertical position wherever is more comfortable cutting this way. We're gonna cut in a horizontal position the neck area. Cut scissor over comb going up. Now we're gonna continue with the right side. We're gonna continue using the comb in a vertical position on the third lateral section. Now we're gonna cut the second lateral section, continue in a vertical position. Cut in a horizontal position the edges. You can use the ring finger to protect the ear. We use a thinner comb in this area to make the hair shorter. Cut in a horizontal position the neck area. Using the hand pulse, we're gonna clear the darker areas. Start making the edge on the ear area. We are only opening a way that later we're gonna shave with the straight razor. We're gonna use the straight razor and the shaving cream. Be careful in this sensitive area. Only open away, the rest shave it going down. this case we did the outline square. The top, we're gonna cut it using 2 fingers touching the scalp. Cut in a 90-degree angle in a horizontal position. In this case, a guideline is not necessary, the guideline is gonna be the size of our fingers. Cut all the way to the back without rushing. The crown area, we're gonna cut it using 1 finger touching the scalp. Connect the guideline we did on the middle with the right side. Connect the third lateral section with the hair on top. Connect the guideline we did in the middle with the left side. Remember, in the crown area we use 1 finger touching the scalp. Connect the third lateral section with the hair on top. We're gonna texturize the hair on top using the straight razor. Put the straight razor on top of the comb. If you need to cut shorter, you can move the straight razor closer to the front of the comb. The closer the straight razor is from the border of the comb, the shorter it cuts. This technique can be used if you want to lean the hair closer to the scalp. You are also cutting all the rebel hair hard to comb. This way we are texturizing the hair and keeping the length, also we are reducing volume. We didn't want it to texturize the hair much, but if you want to texturize a bit more, you can use a smaller comb. In this case we use cream with a medium hold and shine. This is the final result. This was a short haircut only using scissor over comb and texturizing the hair with the straight razor. I hope you like my video. If you like it, share it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. These are some of my previous videos. I invite you to watch them, and if you like them, hit the like button, share it and subscribe.